Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel again. It's been a few weeks where I haven't posted anything because I had a week holiday, and when I returned from my holiday, actually I took a small loss. Let's start with the Sunday Forex analysis for the week ahead. So last week I take actually Euro CHF around this area, but unfortunately the price came back here and I was actually for short position around until this area here, but unfortunately I has to close manual on a slightly loss for the week, and that is pretty much for the last week actually. It wasn't anything special, it was news, and the market was a little bit choppy, and I just go away outside, relax, and not thinking about trading. So, my first pair for the next week will be NZD USD. So, actually, weekly, daily, 4 hours are bearish. I'm just looking the price here, especially on daily, to come at this point in here, and after that I can take a sell position around here. Want to risk reward, and that's it pretty much. We have really nice head and shoulders on daily. We've got on weekly as well head and shoulders pattern. Just I'm waiting to check these points in here. Hopefully it's not gonna be here, but we'll see. We're gonna wait for our candlestick rejections patterns, and we're gonna decide to take the trade or no. So the next pair will be Euro JPY. So here we see the price is very bullish on weekly, daily, on 4 hours. I see the price it's starting to have exhaustion. We see so many bearish candles. So just here I'm gonna wait the price on daily to close below this zone here, and after that I'm gonna take my short position if everything is looking good. 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, and we're gonna aiming actually for these zones here, but we're gonna see the price definitely have to pull back to here, and after that to see some bullish momentum. For now I see exhaustion on the price, so that's why I'm gonna looking to sell. Nothing hard, nothing like too much to thinking. So the next pair it's gonna be cut JPY. So here actually I predict last week the move, but I didn't take the trade. So at this time I'm gonna waiting the price on 4 hour to come back to any of these zones and give me nice rejection, nice bullish candlestick. And after that, I'm gonna decide to jump in the trade or just to pause it and watching. The next one will be GBP AUD. So here actually the price is bearish weekly, daily, and on 4 hours. I see is gaining some ground here, but I'm gonna wait the price to come back here on daily. Check EMAs, check any of these zones, and after that I'm gonna decide to take the trade or no. Pretty simple, nothing harder. So the next one will be GBP USD. GBP USD, which is again sell position. I'm gonna wait on daily especially to close below this zone. Nice bearish rejection, 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, and that's it. We've got some bearish pattern, head and shoulders. We've got here double top rejection, nice bearish candles, but I'm gonna wait especially on daily the price to reject of any of these zones, and after that I'm gonna decide to take the trade or no. So the next one will be USD CHF, which is one of my favorites. USD CHF, I kinda miss the opportunity for the last week here on 4 hours. Actually, I had this trade, but I see before I placing the trade, I see the price is rejection. It's rejecting the zones, and I decide just to close it manually, just to not taking the trade because I wasn't sure on the news. So here I'm gonna wait the price to come back to any of these zones. Hopefully not here, but we'll see. We've got here nice inverted head and shoulders pattern. So here we can see on weekly we are like on a historical level, which is very low for USD CHF. So I'm expecting the price to come to these highs, or maybe EMAs on the weekly. We're gonna see. So here you see I draw this inverted head and shoulders, which is aligned perfect with the chart. So the next one will be Euro USD. Euro USD, which is sell position. We've got nice head and shoulders. Just I'm gonna wait to reject EMAs, any of these zones. Nice bearish engulfing candle on daily, and I'm gonna decide to take the trade or no. So always in the trade in trading is 50-50% chances to go in your favor or to go against you. So that's why we have to know when we are wrong, and when we have to close the trade manually, just to not waiting to hit our stop loss, if we can manage to do that, because it's better to cut your losses and leave your profits to run. That is gonna help you on the long run. Trading is like marathon, it's not sprint. So everybody's uh, that's it pretty much, guys, for this week. So let me see my pairs. That is actually for this week. So we've got like 6, 7, 8 pairs, which is very, very nice. Last week, actually, few of the pairs is give me really nice results, but I didn't take any trades. So I was watching only the market because I had a loss. So let's see what is gonna be in the next week. Hopefully everything to be okay, to gain some profits, to protect our capital, and see you next Sunday.